Welcome to the Riskwiser Zone, the show where we dive into the world of stocks and finance to help you make informed decisions about your investments. I'm your host, Lewis, and we're excited to have you join us today. We've got a couple of interesting stories to share with you, starting with the latest developments in the Indian stock market. Tata Consultancy Services (TCS) has announced its plans to expand its operations in the United States, with a focus on digital transformation and cloud computing. This move is expected to create new job opportunities and boost the company's revenue. In other news, the National Stock Exchange of India (NSE) has signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MoU) with Bharat Metal Exchange Ltd. (BME) to promote the development and adoption of non-ferrous metal derivatives in India. This partnership aims to increase market participation, strengthen price risk management practices, and support the development of hedging tools for stakeholders across the non-ferrous metals value chain. Meanwhile, Tata Motors has announced its plans to launch a new electric vehicle, EV, in the Indian market, with a range of over 400 kilometers on a single charge. This move is expected to give a boost to the company's sales and help it compete with other players in the EV segment. We also have some updates on the stock prices of major companies, including SBI, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, Infosys, Wipro, and NTPC. The Indian stock market has been volatile in recent times, with investors keeping a close eye on global economic trends and government policies. In the world of finance, there's been a lot of talk about the impact of Budget 2025 on the stock market. While some experts believe that the budget will provide a much-needed boost to the economy, others are more cautious in their outlook. We'll be keeping a close eye on developments and bringing you updates as more information becomes available. We'll be right back with more from the world of stocks and finance on the Riskwiser Zone. Welcome back to the Riskwiser Zone. We're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, where the landscape is constantly shifting. Today, we're exploring three key stories that have caught our attention. Firstly, Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, has marked a significant turnaround for his company. After facing challenges in 2022, MicroStrategy's Bitcoin and cash reserves now exceed its debt by approximately $48 billion. This is a remarkable rebound, with the company holding around 843,700 BTC, more than any other public company. Saylor attributes this success to conviction and taking the long view. Meanwhile, Bitdeer Technologies Group has reported an impressive increase in Bitcoin production, mining 921 BTC in May, a 370% rise from the same period last year. However, their shrinking coin balance has raised questions about how they're funding their AI infrastructure pivot. As the company expands its mining output and explores new revenue streams, it's essential to monitor their liquidity strategy. Lastly, we're seeing a growing interest in Bitcoin as a store of value, with some experts predicting that it could play a significant role in reshaping global finance. Stanley Druckenmiller, a well-known investor, has expressed his views on stablecoins and their potential impact on the financial landscape. As we navigate this complex and ever-changing world of cryptocurrency, it's crucial to remain informed and adapt to new developments. At the Riskwiser Zone, we're committed to providing you with balanced and unbiased insights to help you make informed decisions. Welcome back to the Riskwiser Zone. As we wrap up today's show, I'd like to shift our focus to two high-growth, large-cap stocks that are making waves in their respective industries. First, let's talk about Block Inc. XYZ, a financial technology company that's been expanding its offerings to increase economic access. Its recent launch of a higher yield savings tier, offering a 3.50% annual percentage yield, is certainly an attractive proposition for Square sellers who maintain a daily balance of over $10,000 in their Square savings accounts. This move comes on the heels of Block's introduction of Cash App tags, an NFC-enabled payment accessory that allows cardholders to make purchases without their phones or wallets. With 1 in 5 American teens currently using the Cash App card, it's clear that Block is capitalizing on a growing trend. While we acknowledge the potential of XYZ as an investment, it's essential to weigh this against other opportunities in the market. Speaking of which, let's turn our attention to Coupang Inc., CPNG, often referred to as the Amazon of Korea. This e-commerce giant has been making significant strides in South Korea's market, with its first-party-centric platform and nationwide logistics giving it a competitive edge. According to research firm CLSA, Coupang is expected to be one of the biggest beneficiaries of Korea's growing e-commerce market, with a projected compound annual growth rate of 6% between 2025 and 2029. As we consider these investment opportunities, it's crucial to remember that the market is constantly evolving. While both XYZ and CPNG show promise, it's essential to do your own research and consider your individual financial goals before making any investment decisions. And as I always say, where do you stay your money Monday? It's a question that requires careful consideration, especially in today's fast-paced market. That's all for today's Riskwiser Zone. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep your finances in check.